So in this lesson, we're going to learn how we develop this effect that makes it look like the text and the lines are kind of moving, they're shaking. First, we're going to right click and we're going to create a new solid. It doesn't matter what color it is. Let's give it the name Tremble Effect. You can see it in Spanish there, I guess. The color, as I said, doesn't matter because the effects that we're going to use are going to make the color disappear. We'll go to the Effects tab and we'll look for Noise and Grain. We're going to choose Turbulent Noise. Now we go to Fractal Type. And in the type, we'll select Dynamic. We're gonna use Noise Type in Spline. Okay, so we're gonna modify the contrast. We're gonna put it at 132, and in brightness, we're gonna put in 11. We can preview up to there, and nothing's happened, right? Nothing happens, right? What the hell? So we're going to go to transform, and in the scale, we're going to put in 50. We can see that the effect has reduced. Like there's like these small circles there, right? We'll go to the evolution options. Open the menu. We can click on random seed. Okay? We're going to increase it. Little by little, we're going to see that it will start changing there, right? So we press Alt, and we're going to click on that time, or the timer, and we're going to write the expression time times 10. So that's time star 10, okay? Okay, now, so if we preview it, we're going to see that it's going to start to have a kind of animation. It's a little bit weird. It's a little bit of a weird animation. It looks a bit odd. But we're going to see further on that this is going to be really useful to us. All right, so now we're going to go to our Layer tab. We're going to hit Pre-Compose. And we're going to move all attributes into the new composition. We're going to name it Tremble Effect, okay? And we hit OK. Let's hit Layer again, and we're going to pre-compose again. We're going to name it Tremble Effect again. Okay, so double click, and you can see that here is our composition that we've just created. It's nice. Select it, and we'll go to Effect. Look in Time, and we're going to click on Posterize Time. Okay, so we're going to change the frame rate to 10. And we'll go back to our main composition. And while we're here, we'll turn off the eye on that tremble effect. We're going to create a new settings layer. And what this layer is going to do, we're going to add in the effect distort. Okay, so we're going to choose displacement map there in distortion and distort. And here we're going to look for the tremble effect. Okay, so we're going to modify it. So we have luminance. We're going to put it 2.0 in the values. And if we go to preview, yeah, okay, we'll see that that effect is ready. It gives us a very nice effect. It gives us a natural effect on our animation. Okay? Lastly, in the next video, we're going to be working on how to make the animation disappear.